InstaShare 2 now has an all-new AI feature, AI Lens, to help you identify plants and insects. This new feature is available from any device connected to the BenQ Board InstaShare 2 app. To see how to connect your device to InstaShare 2, check out the links below in the description. Once your device is connected, you have several ways to use AI Lens. You can click Device to Board to share your entire screen or a window if you are using a laptop. You can also click Camera to share your live camera feed. And under Media Sharing, you can share an image, document, or video. Now, on the BenQ Board, tap the AI button visible on any of the shared screens, then tap either the insect or plant icon. AI Lens will then find a match to quickly provide useful information to enhance your lessons on the fly. That's it! You can now identify any plants and insects with the new AI Lens feature. For more guides and tips about InstaShare 2, be sure to check out our other videos.